Have you ever wondered about the differences between red light therapy and blue light therapy? In the vast world of skincare and wellness, light therapies have been making waves, promising all sorts of benefits. On one hand, we have red light therapy, also known as low-level laser therapy or photobiomodulation. This therapy uses red or near-infrared light, penetrating deeply into the skin to aid in inflammation, tissue repair, and pain relief. It's a favorite in dermatology, physical therapy, sports medicine, and more. On the other hand, we have blue light therapy. This therapy uses blue light, targeting acne-causing bacteria, Propionibacterium acnes to be specific. It's a common choice for those struggling with acne vulgaris, controlling bacterial growth, and reducing acne lesions. It's often employed in dermatology and cosmetic practices, especially for those who prefer non-pharmacological or adjunctive therapies. Today we dive into the specifics of these two therapies, starting with red light therapy. Red light therapy, also known as low-level laser therapy or photobiomodulation, is a form of phototherapy that uses specific wavelengths of light. This unique type of therapy utilizes red or near-infrared wavelengths, typically in the range of 630 to 850 nanometers. These wavelengths are chosen for their ability to penetrate deep into the skin, reaching beneath the surface to enact change at a cellular level. This depth of penetration is one of the key factors that sets red light therapy apart from other forms of light-based treatment. It allows for a wide array of applications, addressing issues that go beyond mere skin deep. You see, red light therapy isn't just about enhancing your skin's appearance, it's about promoting overall health and well-being. So, how does it work? Well, when these specific wavelengths of light are absorbed by your skin, they stimulate cellular activity. This can lead to a number of beneficial effects, such as promoting wound healing, reducing inflammation, and alleviating pain. For example, in the realm of wound healing, red light therapy has been shown to accelerate the healing process, reducing the time it takes for wounds to close and minimizing scarring. This makes it an invaluable tool in fields like dermatology and sports medicine. When it comes to reducing inflammation, red light therapy works by decreasing the production of chemicals in the body that cause inflammation. This can help alleviate the symptoms of a wide range of conditions, from arthritis to skin disorders. And if you're looking for pain relief, red light therapy might be the answer. By increasing circulation and accelerating the body's natural healing processes, this form of therapy can help to alleviate both acute and chronic pain. But the benefits don't stop there. Red light therapy has also been used to improve skin tone and texture, reducing signs of aging and helping to create a more youthful appearance. It's no wonder that this therapy has found a home in both medical and cosmetic fields. Red light therapy is a versatile tool in medicine, helping with everything from wound healing to muscle recovery. While red light therapy is versatile, blue light therapy has a specific and important role in skin health. Let's dive into the world of blue light therapy. This therapy uses blue wavelengths of light, typically in the range of 405 to 470 nanometers. It's a little like having a secret weapon in your skincare arsenal. This therapy is specifically aimed at a certain villain of the skin world, the acne-causing bacteria known as Propionibacterium acnes, or P. acnes for short. These pesky bacteria are sensitive to specific wavelengths of blue light, and when targeted by this therapy, their growth on the skin can be controlled. Blue light therapy is commonly used to treat acne vulgaris. It can help reduce the number of acne lesions and control bacterial growth on the skin. It's often employed in dermatology and cosmetic practices, especially for individuals who prefer non-pharmacological or adjunctive therapies. Blue light therapy is a game-changer for those battling with acne. Blue light therapy is more than just a buzzword in dermatology. Diving deeper into the realm of phototherapy, we find ourselves immersed in the blue end of the spectrum. Blue light therapy is a rising star in the world of skincare, primarily due to its ability to target one of the main culprits behind acne vulgaris, a bacteria known as Propionibacterium acnes, or more simply, P. acnes. These tiny troublemakers are sensitive to certain wavelengths of blue light, which makes them an ideal target for this form of therapy. The wavelengths utilized by blue light therapy typically fall within the range of 405 to 470 nanometers. This range is particularly effective at reducing the number of acne lesions and controlling bacterial growth on the skin. So, how does this work? Well, when the blue light penetrates the skin, it stimulates a reaction within the P. acnes bacteria, which leads to their destruction. This in turn helps to control the bacterial population on the skin, leading to a reduction in acne. But it's not just about bacteria elimination. Blue light therapy also has an anti-inflammatory effect, which can further assist in reducing acne lesions. The result? A clearer, healthier complexion. In the world of dermatology and cosmetic practices, blue light therapy has carved a niche for itself as a non-pharmacological treatment for acne. This makes it an ideal option for individuals who prefer to avoid medications or those who are seeking adjunctive therapies to complement their existing acne treatment regime. Furthermore, unlike some treatments that can be harsh on the skin, blue light therapy is generally well tolerated, with minimal side effects. It's a therapy that's as gentle as it is effective, offering hope to those who have been on the never-ending quest for clear skin. Closing. Blue light therapy is a powerful tool in the fight against acne, offering a non-pharmacological option for those seeking clear skin. While both red and blue light therapy use specific wavelengths of light, they differ in their applications and effects. It's like comparing apples to oranges, really. Both are fruits, but they offer distinct flavors and nutritional benefits. Similarly, red and blue light therapies, while falling under the same umbrella of phototherapy, cater to different needs and offer unique advantages. Red light therapy, also known as low-level laser therapy or photobiomodulation, bathes your skin in red or near-infrared wavelengths of light, typically in the range of 630 to 850 nanometers. This light penetrates deeper into the skin compared to blue light. It's like your personal at-home spa treatment that targets conditions involving inflammation, tissue repair, and pain relief. Think of it as a jack of all trades, promoting wound healing, reducing inflammation, alleviating pain, improving skin tone and texture, and even enhancing muscle recovery. It's a common tool in the arsenal of dermatologists, physical therapists, sports medicine practitioners, and more. On the other hand, blue light therapy is the knight in shining armor for those battling acne. Utilizing blue wavelengths of light, usually in the range of 405 to 470 nanometers, blue light therapy primarily targets acne-causing bacteria called Propionibacterium acnes, or as we call them, P. acnes. These pesky bacteria are sensitive to certain wavelengths of blue light, making blue light therapy an effective treatment for acne vulgaris. It helps reduce the number of acne lesions and control bacterial growth on the skin. This therapy is often employed in dermatology and cosmetic practices for the treatment of acne, especially for individuals who prefer non-pharmacological or adjunctive therapies. In essence, while both red and blue light therapy involve the use of specific wavelengths of light for therapeutic purposes, they differ in the wavelengths utilized, depth of penetration, mechanisms of action, and applications. Whether it's red light therapy's focus on tissue repair and inflammation reduction, or blue light therapy's battle against acne, both have unique and beneficial roles in healthcare. Thanks for tuning in to our channel Remedies and Resolutions. If you are passionate about natural remedies and holistic health, be sure to explore our other videos for tips on everything from combating colds to safe alternatives for many harsh prescriptions with unwanted side effects. If you found this video helpful, show some love by hitting the like button and sharing it with friends or family who might benefit from these healthy alternatives. For a regular dose of proven home remedies and treatments, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We are dedicated to bringing you multiple new videos every week to keep you informed and inspired on your wellness journey. Your support means the world to us. Thanks for watching and have an amazing day filled with health and happiness.